Besides needing encryption for this last step of the connection, another way that information could leak is through DNS, where using the client, you decide you want to connect to this destination and you're going to go through the Tor network, but how did you get this destination address in the first place? Possibly through DNS. So Tor is only part of the picture there. If you also need to hide what kinds of services you're interested in. To address this problem, the Tor protocol supports onion addresses, which are things that are resolved within the Tor network instead of going through DNS. This not only hides the destinations that clients are attempting to connect to, it allows the servers to be anonymous in the same way that clients are normally anonymous. Another way to make DNS resolution confidential is to use secure DNS. DOT is DNS over TLS using port 853, and DOH is DNS using HTTPS over 443. DNS is based on UDP, so there's a little more to how TLS is adapted to that setting, whereas over HTTPS, it's pretty straightforward. You're just encrypting your DNS request over HTTP over TLS through TCP connections. To use secure DNS, then you need a DNS server that recognizes these protocols, perhaps in addition to regular DNS. It turns out that Cloudflare's public DNS at 1111 supports both of those. If you're on a Mac, you could set your DNS server to that address and also click the checkbox that says use these secure protocols. The performance impact in this case is limited because DNS messages are small. There's not a lot of time spent encrypting and decrypting, and entities like Cloudflare have invested in the infrastructure to make it run fast.